Hi everyone, I am Tripti and today I will show you how to recover the password on a Cisco Catalyst 9300 switch. So I am going to power on the switch and after that I will connect my PC using console key. So I am going to power off the device and continue pressing the mode button. This is the mode button. Now as you can see, we have entered in Roman mode and I am going to run a command that will erase all startup configuration including the password. After that I will run the boot command and the device will start up fresh. So this is complete the reset process. Thank you for watching.